Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This is Trish at Creative Minds Creations. Oh god, it's hot today and I've been suffering from a migraine headache for the last few days and I'm just not in a good mood, but I gotta do this today. So I made a loaded easel envelope that I got from a fellow YouTuber, Kim. I can't think of her channel, but I put it down in the description box. So I got this tutorial from her. I actually had to modify the measurements on this one because I didn't have any 12 by 12 paper, so I used 8.5 by 11. So some of the measures are a little different. But anyway, this is a tutorial that I made for her, and I decorated or fashioned it up in Valentine theme. And so I'm going to be showing it today, and here it is. Again, it is a Valentine themed loaded easel envelope, and that's the side of it, and the back with all kinds of goodies in it. And this is actually going to be going in a Cupid swap. So this video will not be uploaded until after the recipient receives it. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to take out everything, show you what I made, and then show you what it looks like when it's not in there. But anyway, so I got these flowers from Michael's. Paper clips actually with flowers on them. And I got this. I put that in there. That's cute. I was going to try to add something else to it, but I figured to do like that. She can probably dress up the way she wanted. And then here is one of my wands that I made to go in it. And that right there is a rosette and a flower and a foam sticker in the middle. And I used some stickles, red stickles, to go around the edge of the flower, or edge of the rosette, and around the doily. And then that's for the back. I had a sticker, Valentine's theme sticker I put on the back. And then here's the other wand. I can start the back, the sticker in there. And this one I made out of red tulle and red lace. Then I stuck a Recollections flower in the middle. I think it's Recollections. It's Recollections or Prima, I can't remember. But I stuck a flower on there, and then a little heart gem, and then I added some different things to hang from the bottom, like some baker's twine, different types of ribbon. I really like that one. It's cute. Turned out real good. And then here's some laser cut wood pieces that I added in. I'll go ahead and take them out and show them to you. It says sweet. And it's a little bird cage, that one. This is a flourish. This one says hugs. And this is another bird cage with birds and flowers on it. So that's going to go in there. And then here's another little one that's stuck in there. I forgot where I got this from. I think I got it from Dollar Tree, and there was a pack of them. Oh wait a minute, I got it from Walmart. I don't remember. I think I got these from Walmart. So one I got from Dollar Tree. No, I got these from Walmart and these from Dollar Tree. Pack of those. And so I made a couple of envelopes with my envelope punch board, and I embossed them with some of my embossing folder. This one has lips all over. You can see that. So you can see that. And then I put some things in it. Put some doilies in there, red, yellow, red, white, and pink, and a pack of stamps. Oh, let's see. Let me stay in camera. And a pack of stamps. So, and I just embossed the front of this envelope and popped the envelope because I had to fold it to get it into my. I put these through my gram caliper because my big kick wasn't big enough for the piece of paper, or for the my big kick, yeah. And so in this one I need a different embossing folder. It was like a 8x8 folder, and I also did this one on my grand caliper because again my big kick wasn't big enough, so the entire envelope was embossed. And then I put some paper that I have from a collection, a little scrap, and cut into a banner and put that on there. And I put some different kinds of teas in there. Celestial teas, lemon zinger, herbal tea, and honey vanilla chamomile tea. I need to be drinking some of this stuff. I think that's what I'm going to be doing when I start getting finished with this video, because this headache is wicked and I am sick of it. So I need to get rid of it. And I don't go on the other side. So I'm going to both at the same time. So that is that. That goes in there. So that's that. And then, so that's what the front looks like when it's empty. This part is like a accordion fold, and this is like a pocket. There's some color at the back. And I embellished the front with two Recollections flowers, another heart gem in the middle, and a love die cut that I got from in a swap. I put that on there. This white glitter plate. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a little bit of glitter in that. And now on the back, I'm just going to take out a paper clip. This is a paper clip that I got in a swap. I don't know what I'm going to use for. I said, hey, I'm going to put that on there. There's another paper clip that I got in a swap. On that side, it's a glitter heart. And on the side, it looks small, like a diamond cut. And then I put in a laser cut Eiffel Tower. I got that at Hobby Lobby. And a tag I made. It's just regular. I stamped it back with my stamp logo in here. Then I made the little ribbon and put the ribbon on there, or the little bow rather. And it was a sticker that I had from a collection of stickers that I got a while back from Dollar Tree, I think. Cut part of a doily off, or some that was left over. And a flower, a Recollections flower there, and a ribbon. The ribbon at the top. That's that ribbon, that tag. And then I just cover, I got a 2018-2019 planner. Like a little planner. So I've covered that and put that in there to match. And then that's the back of it. And with another die cut that I got in the same swap, it's also glitter. I got a little glitter in that. Put 4 gems on there, different sizes. Put that on there. It's like a little pocket there. That's that. Oh, and these are some heart confetti that I was using for one of my Martha Stewart punches, and I was cutting, punching. I punched this, and I punched some other. I made some other things. I can't remember what it was. But anyway, yeah, so it's different, because I said, yeah, I was gonna keep them used for some. I said, I ain't gonna put them in there. So, I'm gonna put them in there. So, I'm gonna put everything back. And this is, again, it's gonna go in a Cupid swap and a coffee cake and crafting. And so, again, this video is pre-recorded, but it's not going to be, so it's not going to be uploaded until after my recipient for the Cupid swap gets this, and because I don't want her to. I think she's on my channel. I'm not gonna say who it is because you know she'll know who she is when she sees this video. I think she is a follower of my channel. Let's see, I'm gonna make sure I put all this back in here correctly. And that goes there. That goes in the back. Oh, that came off. Better have to restick that. Well, I'm out my shed, and I don't know why this I've used. Well, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I used the other stuff, and I need to go back and use some score tape on that because I used the other stuff and it doesn't stick as when it gets here. It was sticking until it got hot out here today. And so now I gotta break out my score tape and fix it. Because the thing about it was when I made this, I would just, you know, wanted to do it. And I had no plans of putting this in the swap. I said, since I did it in red, you know, the base stuff I did in red, I said, might as well go ahead and put this in the Cupid swap. So, had I known I was going to be putting in a swap like this, I would have used my score tape in the beginning. So, now y'all watching me repair this. And it's an easy fix. I'm using my score tape now. I used my my ATG gun in it before. So let's make sure that's down. There, I fixed. Okay, now let's try this again. Let me put that in there. That goes. Nope, I had to turn this way. There. Put that in there. That paper clip, and then that goes there, and then turn it around. Wait a minute, I didn't have that there. Well, no, I did. I just had a tag in there too. I guess y'all don't really see me putting it back together, but that is everything that goes in it. And there it is. And this is a loaded envelope. Again, tutorial by Kim. And there it is. So I hope the person that getting this likes it. Well, I think she does like it because I had made it and I didn't have all this stuff in it. I just had it a little bit decorated and all that. So she saw, you know, the part where it wasn't filled. So she already likes it. I don't know if she does. Just like she'll like everything that's been stuffed with. But okay, so there is my loaded Valentine's envelope that's going in my Cupid swap that I'm going to be sending out next week. And when she gets it, I will be uploading this video. Or, yeah, y'all will be seeing this video after she gets it. Alrighty then. Well, thanks again, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for liking and subscribing. If you haven't, you can click that button down below. Or my little icon that I got. And that's why it stands up. Sorry about that. It stands up like that. And click my little logo icon down in the, or over here. And the corner down here. And it'll bring up where you can follow my channel. I'll be a subscriber. So there you go, guys. Thank you again for watching my channel. Bye.